successful affiliate marketing, tips, tricks, and advice. When individuals look at starting up a business, they are not interested in a short-term cash infusion. They are looking for long-term success and a lot of room for growth. This is why so many are turning to affiliate marketing in order to sell products online. Before you put your hat in the ring, take a few minutes to check out these tips. In affiliate marketing, you need to express to your readers that they can trust you. Do not post ads that you do not believe in or have any interest in, they will know. If you appear to be a phony condoning something you don't believe in, that will drive away your readers and they won't trust anything you have to say. Be honest with your affiliate marketing links. Your readers will appreciate your candid nature and honesty. People can see these things from a mile away, and they know how to bypass you and go straight to the vendor to make their purchase and keep you from getting your cut of the deal. Check the company's reputation. Working with a company who has a bad reputation is pretty obviously a bad idea, but dig a little deeper to see how their underlying reputation looks. They may have undisclosed issues, like a lawsuit that hasn't made the news yet. You don't want to affiliate yourself with a company that will, in the end, damage your reputation as well. Affiliates often receive instructions by email, so they waste time checking their emails every 30 minutes. One time-saving tip is to copy and paste the essentials of these instructions to a text document that you can conveniently check. You're streamlining and organizing your work by pulling pertinent information out of the email and pasting it into a document. Affiliate marketing is an extremely competitive field, wherein the uneducated rookies are eaten for breakfast and then disappear completely in a matter of weeks. You can avoid this drastic fate by making sure you do things correctly. Follow this two-step process: 1. Read these tips, and 2. Implement these tips. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.